Hello viewers, hello learners. Welcome to Akakosha Language Consultancy, where we bridge the language gap. Today we want to talk about more vocabulary in isiNdebele. Udwendwe, udwendwe. This is a cue. Iphephandaba, iphephandaba. Newspaper. Ubunyonyo, these are ants. Amhlophe, amhlophe, that's congratulations. Isilevu is the chin, the chin. Dumisa, that is to worship, to worship. Inhlatu, inhlatu is the python, the snake itself. Khoka, to snooze, khoka. Umuhlwa, umuhlwa, these are termites.